Hey everybody, we've got Kenny here. He is someone who does a lot of manual labor for work. We're getting ready to transition into snowplow season, so we're gonna get him kind of tuned up today. I'll show you a little bit of how we do some maintenance on this machine. All right, neck issues, kind of stiffness, and then low back is tight, so we've got him in here on the flexion distraction table. We'll show you that ride, and let's get started. So first, look to your right a little bit, look up to the ceiling, and then look down to the ground, letting that chin go down towards your chest. Perfect. And back up, and down, good, and up.
Got little toasters in here hanging.
And up, and down, good. Switch, let's do the other side. So with right around in the truck, and down, working with a shovel, up, keep going. This muscle here, the levator scapulae, it goes from the corner of the shoulder blade and it attaches up into the neck. So if that muscle gets a lot of overuse, repetitive use really, it can get tight and start to tighten down, and it can cause either neck issues, tightness through the shoulders. Next, I'm going to work on the lumbar muscles. These are small muscles that really stabilize the low back, and they get tired, and if the low back's not moving as it should, they're the first ones to quit, which is going to lead us to bigger issues. So make sure those are awake and functioning. So give yourself a hug. I'm going to do like a crunch, all right? And curl forward. Good. Back up. And crunch. We can take each joint segment through a little range of motion so that we're isolating each individual muscle. And with the movement, we get them going through their functional range. I don't want to say tenderizing meat, but we're working on the muscle, not just working on a stationary structure. You're moving and doing all the time, so that's how we want to be treating you. Turn left and turn right. Good, and left, and right, good, left, and right. Good, alright, we do the same thing but on the left. Crunch forward first. And up, and down. Up. And more. Good. All right, let's turn to the right and left. So we're working on the muscles that both participate with bending and twisting. I'm sure a lot of people can relate to having irritated their back, bending, twisting, lifting, whether it's something heavy or not, but you just turn like so, and that's a very common area to run into issues. Face down for me. Let's go for a ride. Good. Nope, not gonna reach today. Big old boots on. Mr. Ken drives 50 miles to get here. This table seems to do some good magic for his low back. You got stuff moving in there already. Really helps to kind of decompress the lumbar spine, open things up, get every joint moving, sliding and gliding. Any other thoughts, Ashley?
Nope. Keep chugging. Movement's medicine. If you don't use it, you lose it.
Okay, bye. We'll leave him here. Just kidding. Alright, breathing in and out. Now, this spot here can be a really tight spot for a lot of people, whether it's stress and tension through the neck and shoulders, but right at the bottom of the neck, top of the back where the shoulders meet, they call that the CT, cervical thoracic junction. Really kind of a mechanical friction point. We got the curve of the neck going one way and it transitions into this middle back. So keeping that moving really helps to kind of diffuse some of the movement and stress that's got to go between the neck and the middle back. Rotate onto your back for me. Let's go face up. Oh, it's the end of the night. We lost some power on the light there. Yep, perfect. Okay, face me over here. Lay on your, nope, lay on your right side. There we go. See if you get any movement out of you. Scoot forward a little bit. Perfect. And do not roll off the table. There we go. And a little bit. Good. On your other side, Carmen. Switch. There you go. There we go. Better on that side. Alright. Come on upright. Alright, everybody. Your monthly maintenance with Mr. Kinney. Pop us some comments below and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.